Hi everybody, Alex Employer here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the Tradeable RSI upgrade that has just been launched and made available to existing clients as well as new clients. Now, warning about this launch was given in this video that you see on your screen right now. It was done on the 8th of November, not too long ago, and we found some really good improvements on the Tradeable RSI, and in this video we brought it to your attention the very first time. And we also warned us of price increases. Please go and have a look at this video because it contains information relevant to the Tradeable RSI. Then I made this video where we had already built the changes into the Tradeable RSI, and I gave you a lot more detail about the two major changes that were made and the results that were being generated by these latest two changes. So again, please go and watch this video for those details. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to have a look at our marketing page, go through it with you, give you an idea of what's involved in this particular EA. Okay, so here we are on the marketing page of the Tradeable RSI indicator. There is the link that you can use, but I will supply clickable links in the description and in the comment of the video. So essentially it talks a little bit about the history, but then here is the major upgrade information, which I've already discussed, and as I've stated, it is available in this particular video. But in essence, we've added a multiplier to the EA. That means that if a trading signal is in place on the formation of the next candle, it will just enter another trade in the direction of the signal that has been given. So it just multiplies open deals in the direction that it's trading. Also, the other change was a phase filter. We're using the ADX to filter between sideways markets and trending markets. Not a perfect indicator for that, but it makes a huge difference to the results. Then there's a short discussion on how the RSI works. I think there's actually a better discussion in those videos that I mentioned earlier, so please go and have a look at that. And then we display the detailed settings for this RSI. This RSI trader has a lot of settings. It's a little bit too much for my liking, a little bit too many variables involved, but here they are, and you can go and have a look at them. And the thing that I've done this time, I've included the user manual. So even before purchasing this EA, you can download the user manual and have a look at each particular setting. If you want information about the dynamic target or the dynamic stop, you just go to the user manual and you can get that information from there. It's a PDF and you can download it directly from here. Then there's a discussion on the many strategies that can be used because of the variation in settings. There's so many ways to enter, there's so many ways to exit the trades, and there are so many deal management options built into this particular EA. And then the important part is what kind of results is this EA generating. We are using back-traded optimized settings, so they are very inflated. They are probably not reliable. Optimized results aren't always reliable, but they do show you the potential of this particular EA. So there they are. Here are the optimized results, and you can see they're all based on a $10,000 account and based on a 0.1 lot sizing. And you can see that there was a 700% return there, and it goes through there. Now, if you want more details, we've got this section here, and as it says there, all you do is you right click on it and you say open image in a new tab, and the image will open in a new tab, and there's a lot more detail because now you can see the drawdowns, the expected payoffs, the profit percentages generated, the average losses, the average gains, and so on. So that's quite a handy facility. And then we've also included the index results. Now, the index results are double the Forex results. You can see they are huge results there. Again, the same thing. All you do is you right click on that picture there and load it into another tab, and you can then see the clear details of that those results. Now, I must mention these index results look really great, but they are very problematic to trade because a lot of brokers have got very high minimum lot sizing. In other words, a lot of them have one lot is the minimum that you can trade an index on. That's a big jump from the 0.01 per $1,000 that we suggest for this particular EA. So that is why the people that have large trading accounts can climb into the index trading, but people that have smaller accounts will be disqualified from trading the index results. Again, I must point out there are set files for MT4 and MT5 downloadable from the website, the EA Factory website, where these results are also recorded. So the results look pretty good. Huge increase over the previous version. The previous version, I would say the increase is in the region of 5 to 6 times what we have now, from what we had previously. Okay, and now one of the biggest bonuses is that there's a free optimization course a year, a 8 video optimization course. You can go through those and have a look at those particular optimization steps. That it is still based on the old version of the EA, but the process is absolutely identical. The methodology is exact. We can't do a course for every single EA that we own, that we market, and for every EA variation. So this is a master course that is based on the Tradeable RSI. Even if you don't purchase the Tradeable RSI, you can still do this free course by using the links in this. Then there are a few more videos talking about how the RSI is traded and some other upgrades that we made earlier in the career of this Tradeable RSI EA. We're on upgrade 4, major upgrade 4, so it has gone through a upgrade phase. And then here's just a summary of what you get when you purchase the Tradeable RSI, and a little bit more on trading the Tradeable RSI. Now, there are important things here. Firstly, I mentioned the results that are shown there are unlikely to repeat. They are back-traded results with perfect hindsight. They are most exaggerated considerably, but they do give us a guideline as to what to do in the future. The lot sizing you need to use is 0.01 per 1,000 until you are comfortable with this particular EA. And an important sentence here that you need to be aware of, because this EA has so many trading options, it is more complex. There are more variety. There's a much bigger variety of settings and therefore a bigger variety of outcomes. Therefore, at this stage, no set and forget settings can be supplied, and it is really an EA for the more experienced trader who knows how to optimize and find the best settings in a particular EA. Just a warning there. Then we have some more videos that you can use that shows you how to load the EA, download the EA, how to load the set files into the EA, how to load the set files into the Forex tester, and how to calibrate your set files to your personal broker. So there's quite a lot of education here that you can also go and have a look at. And then lastly, here are the details to purchase it. First time purchasers will buy it for $260. You can just use the PayPal button. Cryptocurrency purchasers get 50% off. So if you want to use Bitcoin, which is actually going through the roof at the moment, certainly climb in and purchase it using Bitcoin. If you're an existing client, then you have to purchase using the PayPal buttons on the EA Factory website, because that's how we know you're a client, is that only clients can get onto that particular website. So that's a clever way that we've used to make sure that only our clients can claim that 50% discount. So please remember that. If you are upgrading, it's a very simple process. You can go and have a look at the knowledge base provided by EA Factory on this particular one, but you just download it as if you're downloading the EA for the first time. So you download the installation file, click on it, and it will tell you what to do, and it will download itself onto your existing installation with no problems. There are no problems doing that. And it will take, if you have existing trades, it will just manage them accordingly, and it will implement new trades based on the settings that you tell it to do. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and please go and visit that marketing page that we have. There's a lot of educational stuff on there. Even if you spend an hour or so just going through all those videos and learning the educational stuff, it will be well worth your while. Also, if you're going to purchase the EA, don't forget to watch those videos that are on the marketing page. We've moved all our training and education onto the marketing pages as free information that's available, because we want people to experience that before they even buy the EA. So beat the next price increase, and if you are considering purchasing the EA, now's a good time to do it. And remember, all the upgrades that happen are always free. So the first time owners of this EA have gone through 4 free upgrades and is now at its best and most profitable level. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.